Hello everyone, we are Mihaela and Corina from Atelier Mico. This time we received the biggest order we've ever had, a giant painting of 190 by 240 centimeters. For such a large project, here's what you're going to need. For the frame, we are going to need 4 wooden beams, 4 corner beams, screws, wooden glue, metal L profiles for extra support, and a big roll of canvas. For the artwork itself, a thick fabric, scissors, a staple gun, paint brushes, acrylic paint, wall primer, and varnish. First, we started by building the frame. We joined the 4 beams together using screws and wood glue. Then, added the 4 smaller corner beams for stability. For extra support, we also attached metal L profiles at the corners. Once the frame was ready, we stretched the canvas. We glued, pulled and stapled the linen tightly all around the frame, making sure it was flat and firm. Now the canvas was prepared and we could finally move on to creating our most wanted 3D painting. We began by resizing the fabric to fit the canvas. Then we ironed it. After that, we sprayed the fabric with water so we could absorb the wood glue more easily. We mixed the wood glue with water and applied it evenly across the surface. If any area remained dry, we added more water and glue until it was fully absorbed. the glue, we started shaping the 3D structure of the painting. We made sure every part was covered. Once finished, we let it dry for 1 day. The next step was applying a coat of wall primer and leaving it to dry for a few hours. Then we moved on to painting it with brushes. The first layer took about 4 hours because we used big brushes. For a better texture, we applied 3 layers in total, waiting for each one to dry before starting the next. The final layer took about 3 hours. Watching and supporting us. Let us know in the comments below what other tips and tricks you'd like to learn about 3D paintings. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. Thank you.